We're going to do a little bit of pre-work as we jump into our Unit 3. So in order for us to really dive into Unit 3, there's some language that we need to really understand. So we're talking about expressions, vocabularies. Now, it's not expressions like, hey, what's your expression? Are you sad? Are you happy? These are expressions like in the math language. So we have equations and we have expressions. So we're going to be looking at expressions. So like this is a math expression, 3x minus 2y, all of that in parentheses raised to the second power. A lot of that might be new, like what's an x, what's a y, and what is a power. But that's what we're going to be talking about is how we can apply these and how we use them. So here's again an expression. It's a variable or a combination of variables. So here's variable x, or it's got a combination. It's got an x and a y. So a variable or combination of variables, numbers, and symbols that represent a mathematical relationship. So I could think of this is 3 times my paycheck, which is my x, minus 2 times my car bill. So that's an example of what these could represent once I give them some context. All of this raised to the second power, that would be harder for me to put that into a story, but we'll talk about powers as we get through the unit. Okay, again, an expression is a variable or combination. So this whole thing is an expression. Now, we've taken the whole thing, but we set it equal to 12. It's no longer an expression now. As soon as we put in an equal sign, it's known as an equation. So if you think of the word equation, it almost has the word equal right in it, okay? So this is an equation. A statement that two mathematical expressions are equal is an equation.